Hello everyone. So in this episode I am going to work on how to create these buttons dynamically. So that means if I show you this widget here, under face we don't have any of the buttons, it's empty, and only when I play the game we get these buttons. They are initialized, created and added to this UI dynamically based on this faces map. So here we have set of skeletal meshes, that options for the face, and also to represent this we have a set of icons. So using this structure, this data that I have put in the character itself, the UI is created dynamically. So the importance of this one is I am planning to add few more characters to the system like this. So male characters and female characters and some other different classes. So based on the character I select here, there will be a different set of options to customize the character. So for a male character there will be different set of faces for male, appropriate for a male, and for a female character there will be a different set of options which is appropriate for a female character. So that's why I am working on this, making the UI dynamic part. So this episode is sponsored by this generous patron. Thank you very much for your support. So this is what we have at the moment. We can change the hair, and so we have this we have replaced our generic button with this face button, and yeah, I think I implemented a way to initialize the button. Not yet. So as you remember, I want to dynamically add those buttons into this character customizer UI, because I'm going to keep the available faces inside each character, so that this UI can be changed for each character, right? Now these are manually added buttons. Let me have, right, I do have this initialize button. Oh wait, this is the wrong one. Okay, this is not used, and I'll name this to btn face. And when I initialize the button, I need to connect the image here too, so that I will have the face image even when I hover and click. Okay, so now how to dynamically populate those buttons. So for that, first I'm gonna go here, and what's the size, 150. I'll leave only one button and delete the rest. And let's see, right now these are not valid. Yeah, okay, how to do this? I delete these first, and here let me open this. Okay, we have the character. reference here. Now from the character we have this faces button. Okay, so we should be able to access it from here. Right, now I'll modify this to get an input. Where do I define? Okay, here I'll name it as faces, and it should be same as this structure, a map of skeletal meshes and textures. Skeletal mesh components, and this is a texture. Compile, that's the type. Right, now in the HUD I can get the character and get faces. Oh, this is an actor. Alright, so that means, let's see. Okay, this implements character customization. Here I'll add a function to get faces. It should return faces. Like this. No, instead of get faces, let's say get options, so later on we can return like hair and face and colors, things like that as well. So first faces is skeletal mesh, a map, texture, texture. Right, now I'll implement that here, get options. Now return faces like this, and then in the HUD I should be able to get those options like this. Alright, now let's go here. We have the faces, so we can get using keys we can access skeletal meshes. Using values we can access the textures, because map is a key value pair. Now these values are returned as an array, so now we can do a for each loop for this array, and for each element first we have to create a button and then initialize the button. So how to dynamically add the button? So for that, this horizontal box, faces horizontal box, so this is going to be the parent of the button. So I'll make this one a variable, so that I can access it here. Add child to horizontal box. How to create? To add, we need to create. Okay, we can use construct object from class owner. I think we can use this, and the class is btn face. And that's the content. Okay, so we have these 3 faces and 3 textures. If everything works correctly, I should, as you can see here, we only have 1 button, so we should have 4 buttons when I play the game. We have, but the format is wrong. Okay, we can fix it. Let's see. Is it possible to get padding from this one, or what's the difference here? Size and padding. We can get slot. Oh, I can't set slot. Then here we can set. Can set padding. Can we get? Yeah, we can get padding. And also, well, let's do this first. Index should be this index, not 0. We can set the padding, also we can set the size. Let's move this closer. What else we need to set? And alignment. it should be fill. Also fill. Yeah, let's see. Okay, it works now. Alright, now how to get rid of the first button. Padding should be 20 everywhere. So we can make, we can do it like this. And size, do we really need to set the size? I'm not sure. Let's skip this part and see how it looks. It looks alright. Yeah, it looks alright. Okay, now what? Now we can get rid of this first button as well, and let's delete it from here as well. Alright, compile and let's see what happens. Okay, now we got, but they are not, nothing is happening here. That's because I deleted the button and I didn't connect the events, this face events. Let's see what this face event do. Okay, get player controller, get hard and change face. Let's copy this and go into face button. Okay, let's bind this event then, like this, and this face index is this index. Nope, doesn't work. Why not? Is this bind? It's binding not happening. Well, to see that, let's add print here, change it, face. Let's see if I click, the binding happens somehow, but what's wrong there? Let's print the index as well here. So that we can see if the number is right. 0, 1, 2. Seems everything is in order. Alright, then what's the issue? Can't we access the player controller here? Right, this is the HUD and this is change face. So I can debug and see if this is being event is being fired. I'll put this in the other screen because I can't keep them in the both in the same screen and clearly see. It seems this event is not firing. Let's add a print here. Fired. Okay, yeah, event is not being fired. Why? Alright, then let's try something like this. If we can't access the HUD for some reason, let's directly pass a reference to the HUD into the button. How do we do that? Let's add an input in the type of HUD. Promote to variable. Let's call it HUD. And let's, instead of this part, let's use the HUD. Oh wait, I think this is wrong. Oh no, it's right. This implements character customization. This also implements character customization. Okay. So now let's see if this works. Oh wait, when we initialize, that means here we should pass the HUD as well. Here this getting HUD works. Let's see. Event fired. Yeah, now it is working. Okay, now the importance here is the, as I just said before, these buttons are dynamically created, and the textures, icons, and the mesh, everything is based on the data that we have encapsulated within this character. So that's the importance of here. So using this approach, we can have multiple characters, which I plan to do in the future, and based on the character we get here, this set of icons will be changed, so that for each character, let's say for male character we will have different set of faces, and for the female character we will have another different set of faces, so like that. So that's the importance of this part. So I'll stop this episode at this point. So if you like to support my work, you can get the membership of the Patreon club. The link would be in the description below, and also the project file will be available through the Patreon page. Thank you for watching. See you in the next episode. Goodbye.